Hi there, students. Don't listen to him. He's a blithering idiot. He's always blithering. Okay, so we've got this verb to blither. It's actually the same meaning as to blather. But we use this phrase, a blithering idiot. Yeah, a total idiot. To blither means to talk rapidly without making any sense. Yeah, to say stupid nonsense. If somebody's very nervous, they start blithering. Yeah. Going back to blather, a blatherskite, somebody who's always talking rubbish. Yeah, but to blither, a blithering idiot, somebody who's always talking twaddle. Yeah, they're talking absolute nonsense. Yeah, particularly somebody who's talking very rapidly. Yeah, so he's always blithering about his problems. So notice this word to blither, it's a very British word and it's very informal as well. Yeah, it's very common that people tend to blither when they're nervous. She's always blithering on about her illnesses and her stay in hospital. Yeah, look, stop blithering, calm down, and then tell me slowly and surely. Yeah. Okay, while we're at it, blither, it could be blither as well, but notice blithe, B-L-I-T-H-E. When you're blithe, you really don't care about things. Yeah, you're a blithe spirit. It really doesn't matter. So blither, more blithe than. Yeah, so if you're blithe, you're indifferent. You don't really care. So he seems even more blither than he was yesterday. But this video is about to blither. Yeah, just notice with the spelling. Okay, so he's always blithering. He's yakking on. Yeah, he's prattling. Blah, 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 blah. He's gabbling and talking about rubbish. He's maundering. Yeah, so to blither, to speak rapidly, incessantly, and saying things that don't have any real meaning. Yeah. Okay, so if you're in an interview and you just don't know what to say, you don't know how to answer the question, well, you're probably going to start blithering and trying to answer without really saying anything. Yeah, so I guess you could have blither as an uncountable noun. Yeah, he gave them a load of blither about how he was going to help them in all sorts of ways. Yeah, he gave them some blither about this. This is blitheringly incoherent. So if you're blithering, you talk in a long-winded way. You don't make much sense. Yeah, I'm sorry for blithering on about the meaning of to blither. Yeah. To quote Douglas Adams' Hitchhiker's Guide, you can therefore start to blither, if you like, without any fear of making a fool of yourself. Yeah, because if you start to blither, you look stupid. Yeah, notice as well, to blither, it's an intransitive verb. So blah 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 blah. I hear a lot of onomatopoeia with this word as well. Okay, so blither, to talk nonsense. Stop blithering on about all this rubbish, yeah? Stop blithering on about your problems. We really don't want to know what it's about. Okay, formality. Well, firstly, a British word, and this is informal. 3.5 informality. Use in an informal conversation. Semi-formal conversation. Ooh, maybe just about, but not really. And don't use it in a semi-formal writing. So stop there. As to origin, this word first appeared in maybe the late 1860s. Let's see. I think blither comes from from blather. Yeah. So it's a variant of blather. I think blather itself comes from Old Norse blaora, to talk nonsense. So it's the same idea. Yeah. To talk twaddle, to talk rubbish. Okay, so I've probably been blathering on far too long about this word. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Blither, in this case, blither.